Hello everyone. This video is about how to configure ONU in Epon OLT. We have created some VLANs but not configured yet properly. HGE4 is connected with a DHCP server. Phone 1 already have registered one ONU. Open ONU details for further access. Click WAN connection and then Add button. Enter some name for WAN and select channel mode to DHCP. Enable VLAN switch and enter VLAN ID. Map ONU ports to the service and click Apply. New WAN service has been created but not connected yet. Let's configure VLAN 100 for the uplink port. Click Setting and then Port Default VLAN for VLAN 100. Mark the XGE04 box and click Apply. Let's add some description to XGE04. Click Setting to configure switch port XGE04. Enter some description and click Apply. Port description for XGE04 is modified now. Let's confirm service transmission on VLAN 100. Open the details for previously configured ONU. Click the WAN connection. ONU has obtained IP address from DHCP server on VLAN 100. We also can modify Wi-Fi configuration of the ONU. Also, we can verify service on VLAN 100 in MAC address table. We can see MAC address registration on PON ports too. ONU data transmission graph also can be monitored. Thank you for being with us. Visit hsgq.com not only for product queries, also for support and solutions.